You say you had such a bad day. You wish your life was different. Stop. Forget about your trouble in people's hearts. Make them believe in something they forgot. Let's have a lot of fun today. You're a hero in disguise. Come on, this is your chance to shine. Everything's beautiful and I am here to show you. I'll teach you how to fly and all your dreams will come true today. Trust in who you are and everything will change.
Come on, let's hurry up and get some cleaning done. This house is a real mess.
My house is not a mess. Fix-It, you are such a disaster. You broke my computer.
It's not my fault. This computer's older than my grandma. You should get a new one.
Well, now I have to, thanks to you. You'll never guess who's coming to Pixie-Ville.
Stephen Appleman, the creator of the iPixie communication pod.
David Peckham, international Pixie Ball star. Don't tell me David Peckham is coming. When's he gonna be here?
Maybe Martha Ray Dean is coming. I just love her peat floral upside-down cake.
No. It's even better than that. Justin Nimble is coming to do a benefit concert for Bumble Monkey Awareness. Justin Nimble!
Girl stuff.
I just picked up the newest issue of... To raise awareness of the plight of the Bumble Monkeys, Pixie-Ville welcomes the sensational Justin Nimble. This is the best day of my life. I know every word of every song on every album he has ever made. Ever! I love the song. Baby, I love you. So come on, baby, come on. You better hope he doesn't hear you sing, because it might make him hurl. Be quiet! You're just jealous! I'll wear something gorgeous, like my yellow sunflower dress, or the blue sapphire dress. Wait! I need something fun, but serious. Something that says, Bumble Monkeys, I care, but also says, hi, Justin.
But you can't go to the concert. You don't know a thing about Bumble Monkey.
You're right, Fix-It. And not if you're gonna do that.
Yeah, gross. Nice one, though.
That wasn't me. Huh? Bumble Monkey Safari? That's perfect! We can learn everything we need to know! Justin will be so impressed. He'll ask, are you single? And I'll say, yes! And he'll say, kiss girl, I want you to be my girl! And I'll say...
Ready for the tour? As you can see, the stalagmites are really quite fascinating.
I've had enough of this.
Let's go on our own tour.
You do know the difference between a stalactite and a stalagmite, don't you? That is a stalactite. And that Bumble Monkey just found us a stalagmite. Bumble Monkeys are born with crossed eyes, 2 left feet, and a larger than normal right ear. They have problems walking. And eating. Even caring for their young.
Why are you hitting yourself, Bubble Monkey? Huh? Wait, what? No.
Huh? Bad Bumble Monkey, put him down.
Don't just stand there. Do something.
We estimate there are only 300 Bumble Monkeys left in existence. Make that 299. Bumble Monkeys don't communicate verbally, but through sign language. Observe. Hey, you! Hey, Bumble Monkey! Hungry? Food. Make that 298.
Hold on, wait a minute. Let's see. Quiet, Martino. This ought to free you from that Bumble Monkey.
It's a miracle they've survived at all.
Is there anything that can be done to help them?
We believe their only hope is for the pixies and celebrities to adopt them. Ah, boys, come here. What do you say? Would you like to adopt a sweet, innocent little Bumble Monkey? Oh, poor monkey. Oh, well, I'll just have to give it to Justin Nimble. Such a nice fellow. He's adopted 20 of them this month alone.
Give me the baby monkey. I'll be happy to adopt him. Oh, yes, this is perfect. Now I'm sure to win Justin's heart. Yes, yes, yes. Chata, have you always had those blue polka dots?
Hold on. Watery eyes, itchy skin, bright blue dots. Fascinating.
What?
You are one of the rare pixies who are allergic to Bumble Monkeys.
What does that mean? Is she gonna die?
Oh, no, it's completely harmless. Well, other than making you look like an itchy, big-eyed, blue-dotted pixie so repulsive that no one will ever want to be your boyfriend. That, and it makes you incredibly gassy like myself.
Chata, according to Pixieville fashion, blue dots are in this year. Yeah, on your dress, not on your face. What am I gonna do? Here's a thought. Why don't you get rid of that? I can't. He's gonna help me win Justin's heart. Don't worry, sweetie. I'll make you a dress out of Irona root. You'll look wonderful, and it'll keep you from scratching. Ta-da! Well, what do you think? Oh, guys, I feel an itch coming on. Don't worry. The Irona root is the strongest substance in Pixieville. You'll never be able to... Hey, do you know what, Chata? I have one word for you. Blending. Blend, 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 and done.
I got it!
Huh? What is it?
It's a portable digital pathogen neural blocker bracelet. As long as it's on, it neutralizes the symptoms of your allergy. See?
Huh?
Huh? Just make sure you wear it to the concert.
Thank you so much. Now let's go raise Bumble Monkey awareness. Justin Nimble, here we come.
So you don't give
discounts for the fans older than 50 centuries?
I'll give you 3 used tickets for a new one.
Girly stuff.
Do you want to be my surprise girl?
Every day a bumble monkey is in danger of walking off a cliff, or walking into a stalactite, or suffocating from shoving a banana up its nose. So girls, let's do something about it. See your awareness? Yo, I've just raised it, girl! Treat for you. One of you pixies is gonna come backstage with me to meet my crew, and the lucky lady is you! The Bumble Monkey you've adopted tells me that you are a real and true fan of Bumble Monkeys. Girl, fly up here and get your prize.
Huh? Girl, you came to the concert even though you were allergic? Girl, that's deep. Wow, you're the dreamiest.
I just wanted to meet you. You're the dreamiest.
Girl, you impress me, girl. I'm gonna write a song about you.
Love me, baby, kiss me, baby, one more time, because now you're my bumble monkey. I was looking for something, looking for someone, one thing to talk about.
Oh, that is so romantic. He's allergic too.
Because you're my bumble monkey.
This is the best day of my life.
Bumble monkey. Bumble monkey.
Joe 97.
I know a place where everybody's kind of fun in a way. Wonderful things happen every day, and nothing stays the same for too long. It's like a roller coaster.